Good day, I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I can speak and understand, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. 100%.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Agree, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. The second time.
Second time. Okay, so why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I choose in Malaysia, ma'am, because not the same here in the Philippines that small salary, and then I give in my family good financial.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am Johnny, may
Okay,
tomato.
it's okay. So, can you help introduce yourself?
May tomato.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Badria Mahmud Makalipat. I'm 32 years old. I'm single.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. Are you 31 years old or 32?
I going to 32, ma'am.
Okay, so 31 years old only. When is your
Yes.
birthday?
December 6, 1992.
What is your, are you single or married?
I'm single, ma'am.
Do you have children?
No, ma'am.
You don't have any children.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your height and your weight? What is your height and your weight?
I'm 50, ma'am. Weight. And my height is 5'2".
What is your religion?
Muslim.
What is your educational background?
High school, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
No, ma'am.
So you are the only child in your family.
No, ma'am. 2.
Okay, so how many sister? One.
1.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
what is your rank? Are you the eldest, the second?
The second, ma'am.
The second. Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your mother and your father and what is their occupation?
My mother age is 58, household, and my father is 62, is a farmer.
Okay, so being an OFW is not new for you, right? Knowing that you have a working experience in other countries, as you have mentioned a while ago, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in which country you have your working experience?
In Saudi Arabia, ma'am.
Saudi Arabia. How many years you work there?
3 years.
What year did you started and what year did you finish working there?
2018 until 2021.
Okay, what is your job responsibilities, your previous employment in KSA?
My job and responsibility is cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing, and take care of children. And sometimes I I water I
Oh,
water plant.
gardening. You do the
Yes,
gardening. How many children you take care?
1 mom,
How old?
12 years old.
12 years old. Okay, so being an OFW is not new for you, knowing that you have a working experience in Middle East, right?
Yes,
You need to be flexible and you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
yes, mom.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, mom.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, mom.
Can you cook?
Yes, mom.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, mom.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, mom.
Okay. So you know that you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. Okay, after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
I,
Okay, we don't want to have such a problem later once you come to work here in Malaysia, yeah? Because in the first place, you already agree our terms and conditions. If you agree it's okay, you can come, please work properly. But if you disagree, it's fine also. We don't force people to come here. Maybe you stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, okay? Okay, so how do you handle your homesickness?
yes. Focus in work.
Focus in work. Okay, always remind yourself that you come here to work and not to mingle with your other friends, okay? Or to find any boyfriends here, yeah? In
Yes, ma'am.
Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, okay? Okay, so as I have mentioned, we need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so normally I will give you a scenario. What will you do if the employer keep on following you? Like for example, you are cleaning the houses or you are cleaning the house, but the employer keep on following you. What will you do?
I continue my work, ma'am.
You will not feel annoyed.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, after 2021, do you have any working experience as a housemaid or you've been staying in the Philippines only?
I work, ma'am, in a restaurant, ma'am.
Restaurant. What year did you started and what year did you finish?
2021, ma'am. Then until now.
Until recently. You work in restaurant as what?
Uh, waitress, ma'am.
Waitress. Okay. So I think that's all. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, Ria. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you so much.
Bye.